Hey guys, it's me Preston, I'm back. I haven't made a video in a long time, but I decided to get this baby out. It's a Honda XR100 Racing, 4-stroke. I have no clue what kind of engine it is, but
it's a Honda.
It's a Honda. It looks rough as my uncle ran the living daylights out of it. And I have it sitting in my yard. Got me a brand new kickstand. There's my back brake right here. They work real good. My front brakes suck. I have no front brakes. The clutch is still kind of stiff. I put some WD-40 on it. Brand new kickstand. Look at it. It's nice and black. Chain looks really good. It's got 5 gears.
Yeah.
Pretty good dirt bike.
Yeah.
Well, get you guys back in the next video. Bye.